I have a pen. I have pineapple. Pineapple pen.
I have a lobster. I have a pineapple. Lobster pineapple fried rice.
What do you feel like making today?
I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know. I have to see ingredients first.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna think what to do.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, the Costco. New location.
Yes. What do you have there? Oh, lobster tail. That looks good.
Pretty big one.
How much a pound is that? That is $25 a pound. All right. Got some shrimp here. Wow, look at that. King crab legs. This shrimp is $11 a pound. U15. These are pretty large. At $11 a pound. And red king crab legs. This is $24 a pound. Yeah, they got everything here. Looks good. Everything looks so good here. All right, so we decided to do maybe a lobster tail,
You wanna get this lobster?
pineapple fried rice.
It's everything the same. So
Sweet.
we can use the one for lobster tail. I mean
Okay.
the fried rice.
All right, let's get that. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We got another delicious recipe. You guys saw from a previous video. We went to Costco to pick up a couple items. Let's take a look here what we're showing. Here, of course, the pineapple. This is a great deal at Costco. It's $2.99. The lobster tail, a little bit more expensive. I believe it was like $15 a piece. And
Yeah.
Check
And
on
left
the
over that.
ingredients, yeah.
I have a rice here.
okay,
And the butter, salt, black pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, and regular oil. I mean the vegetable oil, salt and pepper. Another salt and pepper anyway here. Because reason for I'm gonna use for this one anyway. So and the red pepper, onions, green onions, and the eggs. So you can tell what you're going to make.
okay. Fried rice.
Fried rice. I'm going to make fried rice and addiction with the pineapple.
Okay,
So first I'm going to do slice up the vegetable and the pineapple, and I take meats out, lobster. First I'm gonna saute. Okay, let's start.
okay, let's begin.
Okay, first I'm gonna do the red pepper. Cut into the smoke. I'm gonna cut a little bit different way. Some white parts and some of the green parts. And mix it up. For the fried rice, scallion, you don't need to cut too much crazy thinner. Little bit thick is fine. Like that. Okay, next one is a pineapple. I'm gonna cut in here to all the way straight down. Yes, like that. Then again, I'm going to take meats out.
Okay.
This one. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna take out a little bit more meat here and make more space. So all the juice you can collect and then making maybe pineapple juice, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like this.
It's perfect here.
Yeah. You can clean up a little bit more nicer anyway, right? Okay. Pineapple. Okay, next one is a lobster. Take meat out. One is scissor. Nice meat.
Oh yeah, looks beautiful, huh?
The beak. We're gonna slice. Like that. Okay, good. Salt and pepper. Not all the way cook.
Okay.
60 to 70% is fine. That's it. Overcook is always no good.
Yeah, because you're going to cook it again in the rice.
Right.
You know?
So that's it.
Okay.
So reason why I cook this one, because I'm gonna in this wok I'm gonna always do the egg first. So after that it's a raw lobster puree. It's hard to cook it, right?
Okay.
So first I'm gonna cook the 60% to 70% and saute first. Onion. Red pepper. Rice. And I'm gonna put the butter. And the lobster. And pineapple. Okay, I'm gonna put the soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil, and then scallion. Hold on.
Wow, take a look at that.
Looks better, right?
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, so I'm gonna try a little bit. A taste.
How's it, Hiro?
Bit of salt more.
No salt? How about some more scallions too, Hiro? Might as well, right? Let's
Yeah,
not waste
scallions.
these.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some a little bit later.
the top?
A little bit fresh one, you know. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let me take a look at this. You guys could be a superstar if you made this at home. Your family, friends, loved ones would love you forever. Right here, take a look at this. Wow.
A little bit fresh on top a little bit. Okay, that's it.
Hiro, I am amazed. This looks so good. And it wasn't that difficult to make either, you know?
Yeah, regular fried rice.
Yeah, regular fried rice. Just the plating on this pineapple looks spectacular. If you guys try this at home, make sure you get some fresh pineapple. Make sure it's yellow on the outside. That's when you know it's ripe. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Before we do the tasting,
Yes.
you were singing a song earlier. Let's hear it.
I have a lobster. I have a pineapple. Lobster pineapple fried rice.
If you guys don't know what we're talking about, check the link below. This guy's from Japan, and he's talking about a pineapple.
Pikotaro, pikotaro. Pikotaro.
Oh, that's his name,
You
right?
say P-I-K-O,
Piccolo.
T-A-R-O.
Okay.
Pikotaro.
Piccolo.
You can the pen, pineapple, apple pen.
Yeah. Pineapple apple pen.
PPAP.
Unbelievable. What a funny story and a video that he made. Oh, here's on. Let's try it.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me tell you, it looks so good.
Actually, I put a little bit too much pineapple juice. Rice get a little bit soft.
Okay.
I shouldn't put too much pineapple juice.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Enjoy.
It's not bad, but I can put a little more salt.
A little more salt.
Yeah,
Okay.
a little more salt, more soy sauce.
Okay.
I don't like the flavor.
This was a lobster here. Take a look at this. Oh man, making a mess.
Pineapple very strong.
Wow, it's really good. Surprisingly, I mean, the pineapple is not overpowering the dish, though.
It's not over for you?
It's not overpowering the dish.
Magic one. Our magic one.
Oh, I love the seasoning. Oh man, this is like a little salt and pepper mixed together with other seasoning. So good.
Yeah. I cooked a little bit to light. Everything coming after Japan trip. Because there's a more flavors, more light flavor.
Yeah.
So that there's more like you can put a little bit more salt.
Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, again, give that thumbs up. Try to make this so simple, not hard at all. The plating looks beautiful because obviously you have over half a pineapple sitting here.
What do you think about lobster? No overcooked, right?
No, good.
Is it like,
It's good, yeah. You can tell when the lobster's overcooked. It's really hard.
this one is so much cooked, it's no good.
Yeah.
Thank you very
so
much.
much.
See you next
Bye.
time.